All right, we're gonna get the cover off the top of the engine here. It's just got some rubber grommets to pop off. And you can see them right here, which is very common on most cars now. We want to go in and check the air filter on this. It's got 35,000, and we've got a T25 torque spit. Pull these right out.
So what we're doing is going to check the condition of one of these filters. There's another one on the other side of it.
It's got some clips in the back that just locks in and then it'll clip. And
you pull that tab out. So if you had to change the filters,
pops out like that. And the filters are nice and clean.
yeah.
So yeah, I wouldn't worry about these filters right now, but it's pretty simple. So to change it, you're gonna drop the filter back into the hole, set it down, lock the clip on, and then we're gonna take our cover, line up our tabs back here. And we'll start our screws. And when you start these screws, don't tighten them with the gun because you're just going into plastic here. So we're going to tighten them down, and then just as we get to the end, we're going to use a hand ratchet because, you know, you keep changing these filters over time and you strip that hole out, you're going to have to replace the housing. So we start them by hand. We'll run them down with the ratchet, but we're not going to we're going to hand tighten them.
Yeah, we're just gently running them down with this ratchet. So.
Yeah. As soon as they start to snug up, you stop, and then you put the hand ratchet on. Okay, same thing with this one. All right, we'll get the hand ratchet, and we'll hand snug them.
And this other filter is done the exact same way as this side.
You got the line up, the dowel back there, and you can feel that they're all lined up, and then you're just gonna lock them down into place. That one's tight, that one's tight, and that one's tight, so they're all locked down. You can put a little dielectric grease on the rubbers and it'll help them slide down. They pop right on for us.
Thanks for watching the video. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. Take it easy.